Welcome to Athar's Garage. In this video, I'll be working on the Team Associated RC28 Bag 2, so let's get started. There are two different mounting systems for the body for this car. If you're using a Lexan body, there's body posts and I guess a hard body tab delete, which is this piece here. I plan to run a hard body on this, or I'm building it so it's running a hard body. So I'll be using the hard body tab plate, which is included, which is this here. And I won't be installing the body posts during this step. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna need the pivot block insert low, which is gonna be this one right here. It has the arrow. Looks like they gave two sets, so that'll be a spare. So I'm going to go ahead and get this off the parts tree and ready to install. All right, so we have our pivot block and we're going to install the pivot block insert with the arrow facing down. So it's going to look like this. So the arrow is facing down. And then since we're going to be using a hard body, we're going to take the hard body tab and we're going to install it like so, using two M2x4 flathead screws. Okay. Now we can go ahead and install the pivot block plate. Make sure you take note of the orientation. This is the top side. The bottom side has the countersunk holes for the flathead screws that we're going to install for the pivot balls. So just take note of that. So we're going to install two M2x4 flathead screws in this hole and this hole. And then they're going to have the 3.5 millimeter threaded pivot ball on top. So let's go ahead and do that. If you have an Associated 10 scale vehicle, it looks like the shock wrench that came with my Associated will fit. So you can just use that to hold that pivot ball in place. There we go. Now we can install this onto the pivot block itself. So we're going to install two, I believe they're going to be M2x4 button head screws on top through these holes here and here. And they're going to go into these holes here and here. And it's going to have this orientation. So just take note of that. All right, now we can mount this onto the chassis with two M2x4 flathead screws. So it's going to install like this. So we're going to install the two screws through this hole and this hole. And this will sit just like so. There we go. So now that's on. So that's it for bag 2. We have some leftover parts. We have some screws left over that were for the body posts, the hard body tab delete, and some extra pivot block inserts. So I'll just keep this stuff as spares. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Let me know down in the comments if you have any tips or tricks. It would be great for the community. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.